What is TINA Design Suite and TINACloud? Welcome to TINA and TINACloud, the powerful yet affordable circuit simulation and PCB design software packages available offline and online.
Now with built-in AI support.
TINA and TINACloud are used by more than 100,000 users in 200 countries and 26 languages.
TINA can be downloaded and installed on your computer, and from TINA v16 is natively available for Windows, Apple macOS, and major Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Mint, SUSE, and even Raspberry Pi OS. Enjoy a consistent, powerful experience whether you're in the lab, at your desk, or on the go. Now TINA is also available in light and dark mode.
The online TINACloud is running in your browser without any installation and anywhere in the world where internet is available.
AI tools in TINA and TINACloud offer a flexible, user-friendly interface for various engineering tasks, including circuit design, simulation, code generation, and education, such as providing information on circuits, designing LDO and SMPS power supply circuits, designing active and passive filters, designing analog oscillators and digital clock generators, selecting and redesigning evaluation circuits from different manufacturers, generating Arduino code for rapid prototyping,
generating complex Python code for custom analysis,
image recognition with Python or MCU, creating step-by-step solution of simple DC-AC circuits, creating quizzes and riddles and check their solution. The AI support in the offline TINA provides flexibility and privacy.
Now, with expanded AI hardware acceleration, supporting NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel Arc GPUs on local machines.
You can use local AI models to design and simulate circuits locally without relying on internet connectivity or leverage the power of cloud-based AI services. Here are a few examples. Providing information and redesigning a switch mode power supply in TINA.
TINA includes switched-mode power supply models from leading manufacturers such as Texas Instruments, Infineon Technologies, Analog Devices, Nisshinbo Micro Devices, Worth Electronic, ST Microelectronics, and more. Most of these converters are available as a single unified model that supports transient, line step, load step, AC, efficiency versus load plots, and automatic redesign to user-defined specifications, all within the same model. You can redesign these circuits either with the TINA design tool or with AI using natural language. The models are also available as fully SPICE-compatible files, so you can use them not only in TINA but also in other simulators such as PSpice, CMetrics, and more. If you own TINA 16 or later, you'll receive new and updated converter models free of charge through ongoing updates. Next, we'll walk through redesigning a TLS4120 converter circuit in TINA with AI using natural language.
Setting the output voltage to 3 volts. Due to the AI capability using natural language to interact, you can word your request in many different ways and languages. This time enter, now change the output voltage to 8 volts. The redesigned circuit provides the requested 8-volt output voltage. Presenting a Colpitts oscillator circuit and providing information in TINA. Enter this, set the frequency to 1 MHz. The redesigned circuit oscillates with the requested frequency. Generating Arduino code for rapid prototyping with AI in TINA. Enter the following request in AI Assistant. Create a simple Arduino code for generating prime numbers up to 100. Copy the code into the TINA Arduino code editor, then compile and save the project. Check the result with interactive transient analysis using the serial monitor tool. The list of generated prime numbers appears on the screen of the serial monitor.
For education, generate custom Python code with the TINA AI Assistant and compare it with TINA's simulation results.
Creating a step-by-step solution of simple DC-AC circuits in TINACloud. As you can see, TINA's AI-powered analysis, using fundamental circuit theory, delivers results that precisely match numerical simulations, provided by the interactive DC analysis tool of TINA. TINA and TINACloud AI helps you create quizzes for any circuit. Just provide the circuit name for well-known ones, or add a title and description for less familiar circuits. AI analyzes your request and provides a detailed summary of your learning progress. In case of a correct answer. In case of a wrong answer. After 5 questions, finally the evaluation. You can also create riddles on electricity and electronics. Let's see a few riddles generated by TINACloud. You can test your knowledge and rack your brain over my tricky riddles.
Okay, can you create a simple riddle about electricity, please?
I flow through paths both short and long, my strength depends on where I belong. In a loop, I must return, or else my power you will spurn. What am I?
Voltage?
Not quite. Here's a hint. Think about what must continuously move through a closed loop in a circuit to ensure everything functions properly. This flow is essential for the operation of any electrical device. What am I?
Current.
Correct, well done. The answer is indeed current. Explanation: in an electrical circuit, current is the flow of electric charge. It must travel through a closed loop, or circuit, to power devices. If the circuit is open, the current cannot flow, and the device will not function. This concept is fundamental to understanding how circuits operate, as current is the lifeblood that powers all electrical components.
Okay, but that was too easy. Can you make a riddle about semiconductor devices?
I'm a gatekeeper with 3 legs, controlling flow with a tiny nudge. I amplify signals, small to grand, and switch with ease at your command. What am I?
Bipolar transistor.
Exactly right. Congratulations, the answer is a bipolar transistor. Explanation: a bipolar transistor is a semiconductor device with 3 terminals, the emitter, base, and collector. It acts as a gatekeeper by controlling the flow of current between the collector and emitter, based on a small input current at the base. This allows it to amplify signals and switch them on and off, making it a crucial component in many electronic circuits for amplification and switching applications.
TINA and TINACloud allows you to analyze and design analog, digital, mixed, and RF circuits.
Including analysis of nonlinear RF and microwave circuits using harmonic balance,
as well as switched-mode power supplies, communication and optoelectronic circuits, and microcontroller applications in digital or mixed circuit environment.
Now, you can also simulate the ESP32 microcontroller series.
In addition to SPICE, TINA and TINACloud also include
7 major
hardware description languages: VHDL,
VHDL AMS,
Verilog, Verilog A and AMS,
System Verilog,
System C, for modeling modern, complex integrated circuits in mixed circuit environment, such as SAR and Sigma Delta ADCs, DAC converters with SPI, digital power ICs with I2C and PM bus, digital filters, microcontrollers, PIC, AVR, ARM, XMC, Arduino,
ESP32,
and more. Here are a few examples: mixed SPICE and VHDL, mixed SPICE and Verilog, mixed SPICE and Verilog AMS, mixed SPICE and System C. Another unique feature of TINA is the symbolic analysis capability. Symbolic analysis produces the closed-form expression of the transfer function, equivalent resistance, impedance, or response of analog linear networks. In DC and AC analysis mode, TINA derives formulas in full symbolic or semi-symbolic form. In transient analysis, the response is determined as a function of time. Circuit variables can be referenced either as symbolic names or by value. Through symbolic analysis, poles and zeros of linear circuits can be calculated and plotted as well. For example, let's see the symbolic and numerical analysis results of an active bandpass filter. TINA supports more than 1,000 microcontrollers, including PIC, AVR, 8051, XMC, ARM, and Arduino controllers. In TINA, MCUs can also be simulated in mixed-signal analog-digital circuits. The built-in debugger allows for testing of your hex, assembly, or C code step by step. Insert breakpoints, view the MCU registers and memory or C statements, and value of variables. TINA is far more than a simulation software. You can use it with local or remote measurement hardware that allows real-time measurements controlled by TINA's on-screen virtual instruments. TINA Design Suite is extended with the fully integrated PCB designer of TINA. Main features include the following: auto placement and auto routing, follow me trace placement, DRC forward and backward annotation, pin gate swapping, keep in-out areas, thermal relief, fan-out, plane layers, Gerber and G-code output, flexible PCB layout, enclosure, and more. For example, let's see the schematic diagram, PCB layout, and the 3D view of a flasher circuit placed on a flex PCB. You can also import 3D enclosures in industry-standard formats and visualize your PCB design with enclosures in 3D. References. For more than a decade, Texas Instruments, one of the largest semiconductor companies in the world, has been using TINA for its analog IC application support. Over this period, the usage of TINA has been extended with a large number of TI components and application circuits, and it is used regularly by a huge number of industrial customers. This great number of industrial projects also helped DesignSoft to expand and improve TINA as one of the fastest and most powerful circuit simulators. Since 2014, Infineon Technologies, one of the world leaders in the power electronics industry, has been using TINACloud as the engine for its online prototyping tool, Infineon Designer. TINACloud and TINA include thousands of models of Infineon's LED drivers, high voltage, high power, RF, MCU, and other parts, along with a large number of industrial prototypes and application circuits that can be processed and developed further in both TINA and TINACloud. TINA and TINACloud are powerful design and analysis tools for the advancement of electronic circuits. New users will find the software robust and easy to learn, while experienced designers and educators will appreciate the rich component libraries, symbolic analysis capability, and integration of SPICE with HDL for the analysis of complex mixed-signal circuits. Whether you are a student, educator, or longtime circuit designer, TINA and TINACloud combine to deliver high-performance circuit analysis that is easy to use and accessible both offline and online. Much more than another SPICE program, this is software that can help you advance your ideas, your product definition, and your understanding of complex electronic circuit behavior.